Amazfit have just expanded their smartwatch lineup with something that's bound to catch your attention. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech releases. Now, let's get into it. Fresh off the heels of announcing updates for their existing models, they've dropped another bombshell, the Bip 5 Unity. What sets this apart? Well, for starters, it's a more affordable alternative to the Bip 5. But don't let the price fool you. This baby packs a punch. It boasts a sleek stainless steel frame, a step up from the plastic build of the Bip 5. Plus, a 1.91-inch LCD display delivering crisp visuals at 320 by 280 pixels. More than 100 watch dials are available, and more than 70 applications can be installed via the associated smartphone app. Amazfit knows that longevity is key, so they've equipped the Bip 5 Unity with a 300 mAh battery that can go the distance. We're talking up to 5 days of heavy usage, 11 days of typical usage, or a whopping 26 days with battery saver mode activated. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. Amazfit didn't skimp on the health and fitness features either. With the BioTracker PPG biometric sensor on board, you can track everything from blood oxygen levels to heart rate with pinpoint accuracy. Plus, the sensor in the Bip 5 Unity alerts users to low heart rate, high stress levels, or low blood oxygen levels. And with 120 sports modes to choose from, you'll never be short on workout inspiration. And let's not forget about everyone's favorite virtual assistant, Amazon Alexa. The Bip 5 Unity comes preloaded with Alexa, so you can control your smart home devices, set reminders, and even order pizza, all from your wrist. The downside compared to the older Amazfit Bip 5 is that the new model doesn't have built-in GPS. You'll need to pair it with your phone for GPS data. Now, you're probably wondering about availability and pricing. Well, good news. The Bip 5 Unity is already up for grabs in the UK and the US, priced at just $59.99 and £69.99 respectively. And knowing Amazfit, it won't be long before it hits shelves globally. And that's a wrap for today's video. Catch you in the next one.